to the 2022 Holiday Hoops Championship game between Chook and STA. Introducing the Chook team. First flag, number 21, we have Achilles. Number 12, we have Rachel. Number 1, we have Chris. Number 3, we have Rexa. Number 24, we have Pondron. This is the first time for the Chook High School and their teammates. Number 13, Jermic. Number 34, Joe. Number 4, Jay Hart. Number 33, Hansa. Number 2, Gavin. Number 10, Dion. And their last teammate, the most motivational individual, number 22, Michael. Give it up for the Chook team. Now welcoming to the court our home team, STA School. Their starting five. Number 23, we have Minnie. Number 1, we have Esa. Number 0, we have Manuel. Number 5, we have Nakasone. Not only Nakasone, number 4, his twin brother, Nakasone. This is the first time for Team STA. Their teammates, number 11, we have John. Number 18, we have Akitaka. Number 13, we have Isaac. Number 45, we have Edwin. Number 14, we have Mohamed. Number 12, we have Bruno. Number 22, Hitachi. Number 6, Asher. Number 8, Ekron. Number 2, Nakasone. Number 3, Rego. And number 34, Bert. Give it up for the STA team. Now introducing the coaches. Join me in giving them a big round of applause. So coach for Chook team, we have Ron as the head coach. Jet Lee as the assistant coach. Ladies and gentlemen, coaching for the STA team,
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
Want to go sit up there?
You cannot see the ring here. Cute lang pala Rio. Ba't may B3? Ba't may B3?
Hindi ko alam. Pangit ng camera ko yun.
There is no control to go. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 33 with the ball, pass to number 4. 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Pass to 34. He turns around, he shoots, he misses. Rebounded by number 0, STA. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 8. It's stolen by 2. And rebounded by number 4. Pass to number 18. They go in. Pass to number 0. Pass back to 18. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 5, 4, 3. He pops the 3. Pass by the 3-point specialist. Number 5, Dr. Sony. Number 33 gets the ball. Pass to 34. Shoot by number 0. Number 0 is me. All over number 34. 33 with the answer. 7 seconds on the shot clock. He shoots a 3, he misses. Rebound his own shot. Pass to number 34. 51 seconds remaining on the time. Let's go to number 4. He goes up. 45 seconds remaining. And the clock is 28. 33. 10 seconds remaining on shot clock. And we have a foul. Foul. Shoot. Number 22. Holding. Bonus. 31 seconds remaining. Score is 1 to 10.
Katong nakapit
And
na
SDA.
award din. Ha? Katong nakapit na po ko.
SDA goes to the line for 2.
Yeah, don't go pa rin. Alawa, ragot, naglakaw na sila dito.
He makes it. And the score down to 1 lead, 1.3. 31 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Number 33 with the ball. And SDA making sure they go. 10 seconds on the shot clock. He goes in. And pass stolen by SDA. Pass to number 18. 11 seconds remaining. And we go by number 5. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's over. Score is 12. Four, three, two, one. We got the flag shoot. He sees an open three. He misses. Levin SDA with the rebound. Pass to number 0. He goes up. He gets up and out. And it's a one-ball violation. They say this is it. SDA with the ball. Number 0, he loves the ball. Pass to number 18, number 0, about 2. Number 1 all alone, he goes in. Pass to number 0. He misses. Rebound by 2. Wow. Shoot number 12, 2 is in. Pass the first defense. Go in. And SDA number 22, holding. Side ball.
Okay.
And number 12 with the ball. And we have a foul. Another blocking foul. Number 18 SDA, blocking foul. Shoot ball.
Dagan na.
Number 3 with the ball.
Can I put it on your leg?
And he dribbles in. He goes up. Pass to number 21. He puts it up. He hits the rim and miss. And AD with the rebound. Pass to number 1. Number 1 pass to number 18. And he almost loses the ball. All alone. Pass to number 1.
14, 14.
Number 22 going in. with the ball, takes it, pass to number 44. He drives in. Teardrop basket, yeah! Number 4 with the ball, pass to number 18, pass to number 0. Let's see attacking. Pulls back out. Number 4 goes in. Pass down, they lose the ball again. Pass to number 1. Number 1 goes up. He misses. He comes back 22. He fires his way up and he gets the basket. 2 left for a round. SK, number 18. Got the guard. Goes for 2. Goes for 2 basements. And still perfect at the free throw line. And he misses all his shot. And he recovers stolen. And there was a little pass the ball to number 3. All the same by SBA. Number 1 recovers. And he goes in. 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3. And rebound by 21. He puts it back up. He misses. And the break gets the ball. He goes down. He goes in. And he loses the ball. Loses the ball. Number 1 pass, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 3 with the ball. 5, 4. He shoots, he misses. And he rebounds his own shot, goes in. Number 23, goal with the shot, he goes up. Pass to number 3. And number 0 gets the ball. And he gets the ball. Shooting 2. Shoot, number 3.
Student pistol. Pistol, no student.
First basket, 3 misses.
Pagkakataon niya na yun. Nakatunod.
Second basket, he hits it. Taking the lead again. Top of the line for the SBA. Number 24 with the ball. Pass back to 24. Pass to number 1. Number 1 to 24. 8 seconds on the shot clock. He puts it up. He misses. Rebounded by 2. Pass to 24. He goes up. Elliott to goal. And we have a foul. 2, number 12, blocking foul, 7. Choose number 12, that's your first personal foul. 3-team foul for 2, 1-team foul for SBA. Number 4 with the ball, pass to number 5. He shoots, he misses, he got the by 24 2. We have a line violation by 2, and the ball goes to SBA. Number 18 in the ball. Pass to number 0. 23 to number 4. Pass to 18. Back to number 0. They go up and they miss.
You're
Some
too.
of them are SDA also.
But she said her team is too.
19 seconds remaining. Score is
Me, I'm SDA.
86.
Whoever wins. Ayan na.
What's the difference? 66, 43. The difference. Yeah? Difference between the score.
Someone is shooting.
Difference between the score. What's the difference between the score?
He makes the basket. Stop shooter. Line violation by 2. Doesn't down. It doesn't down. Number 10, line violation. That's the basket. Pass to number 0, he pops a 3. He misses. And he gets his rebound and goes up and he gets a foul. Seven, 25, 2. Number 0 goes in line for 2. First basket, he makes it. Another basket, number 33. Crosses that. Line violation by number 33. And he misses put up by number 24 gets the ball. Back to 23. Back to 23. And we have an 8-second violation. 8-second violation. Pass to number 1. Mazin pass to Pinigin. He puts it up. He misses. Rebounded by number 2. 24 seconds. Oh, 3. He passed the basket. And line violation. 18 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Score is 83-71 in favor of Team National. Inbounding the ball to number 1, STA
Carolee.